So hello guys, now I want to measure the main line, but I have two options, 250 volts and 500 volts. If I choose 250 volts, all the scale will be 250 volts as you can see here. But if I choose 500 volts, all the scale will be 500 volts. So as you can see, I have pre-connected. Be careful because main voltage can kill you easily and can cause fire, as those videos that I've done before, because they suspect it was an electric fire. Well, let's turn on to see. We have fixed it in this 500 volt position, so you can see it's turned on. It's around half of this because all the scale is 500 volts, so the half of the scale is 250, but you can see it's 200 here, 300, 400 and 500, but here is 50, but you can consider as 500. So here is 250 volts and here is 200 volts, so let's say 210 and 220 volts. Well, if I want to choose this other scale, you can see it goes here at 240 volts, 210. So you can see here 250, and here is 210 volts. Because I haven't calibrated yet, this is for calibration. Well, I didn't change anything, is as it was before. As I said, be careful from live wires, they can kill you. I am a specialist idiot, so don't act as I'm acting. Well guys, if I choose to go away up 500, it will be in this position. Well guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye guys, stay safe.